This is a little bit of a graphic of how we really like to see this. It's an additional reference from The Lancet, so one of the leading medical journals in the world, really. The Lancet, in this particular article, what they wanted to do was describe how it is that we as ecologists see this emerging phenomenon. And what you can see again along the y-axis is how we see this is endemic pathogen cycles happen with their own dynamics. They're always cycling, they're very consistent, they never get really high, they never explode into what we would call a pandemic or a massive outbreak, but they kind of always exist at this particular level. Then, every once in a while, there's a spillover event. That spillover event is this pathogen that moves from some wild animal source into maybe our domestic animals and explodes into a massive outbreak, or, which can be even scarier, directly into people. And then what you end up seeing is this, this oscillation that's happening in wild animals, a spillover event that may go to a domestic animal that increases the amplification event, and in some cases spill over into humans, which then leads to, in red, what would be an outbreak. Okay. In our world, what we see this as is really that pathogens and these cycles exist completely independently of our existence. Whether we are here or not, they will still keep going. And we like to think about this because in our job, what we want to do is really be able to take that type of data, translate that into risk for humans or pets or critters that we actually care about.